Let's explore the cooling breathing technique from yoga, Sheetkari Pranayama. This particular technique cools down our system internally. In case you're not being able to practice Shitali Pranayama, this is the practice for you, bringing the same benefits. Let's see how to do this practice. For this, you bring your teeth together, the top and the bottom, like this, and we spread the lips apart in a beautiful smile. Then we take the air in through the gaps of our teeth. We close our lips after the inhalation and exhale slowly from the nose. Let's prepare ourselves. Sit comfortably on your mat and gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your body, hands on your knees, spine erect, gently stretching up, shoulders relaxed, and a beautiful smile on your face. Observe your breath. Stay here for some time. Slowly shift your awareness inwards towards your heart. Let's begin. Join your teeth together, the top and the bottom, opening your lips in a beautiful smile. Inhale through the mouth, drawing the air in. Close the mouth after inhalation and exhale slowly through the nose. Let's do this 4 more times. Join your teeth together, smile on the face, draw the air in. Close your mouth and gently exhale completely through the nose. Once more, join the teeth together, smile on the face, and draw the air in. Inhale through the mouth. Close your mouth and slowly exhale through the nose. One last time. Join your teeth together. Inhale through the mouth with your open lips. Close your mouth after inhalation and slowly exhale through your nose. Relax your breath. Keep your eyes closed. Observe the sensation of cooling throughout your entire body. This pranayama is especially helpful in hot weather, during emotional stress, or whenever you need to invite the calmness and clarity within. Join your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Rub your palms together. Place the base of your palms on your eyes. With a beautiful smile, move your hands slowly away from your face, blinking your eyes open, looking at your hands. Thank you for joining in this session.